Everyone has times when they're in the checkout line or negotiating a deal of some sort when they have to calculate how much of a percentage someone is asking for. 6%, 17%, or what have you. Some people see that symbol and immediately start to panic. However, I found a quick, simple method for not only calculating the numbers, but keeping myself calm as well. When I see that symbol, rather than imagine a jumble of images in front of me, I focus on the preceding number and two others, 10 and 100. That's it. I remind myself that dividing any number by 10 will always give me 10%, and dividing by 100 will always give me 1%. With those in mind, I calculate any percentage by breaking it down into smaller pieces and simplifying the math. When I break things down into smaller chunks, I'm able to put them back together in whatever way is most comfortable to me. This might seem a little tedious, but it is much easier to handle 1% times 7 than it is to calculate 7% off the top of my head. For example, 33% can easily become 10% times 3 plus 1% times 3. 54% is half of the number plus 1% times 4. With this method, any combination is possible, so long as I remember not to focus on whatever strange cut is being asked about and instead focus on the smaller pieces that make it up. Using this, I'm able to keep the math straight and protect my sanity as well. Win-win.